Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sink pump is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components in any plumbing system, ensuring smooth water drainage and preventing costly water damage. This video will help you navigate the world of sink pumps, exploring their various types, functionalities, and key features to help you choose the perfect one for your needs, whether you're dealing with a clogged sink, basement flooding, or simply upgrading your plumbing system for better efficiency and reliability. We will cover everything from horsepower and pump capacity to material durability and ease of installation, empowering you to make an informed decision. Number 5. SANIFLO Saniswift Drain Pump. This innovative pump offers a simple solution for your drainage needs, both indoors and outdoors. It's powerful yet compact, making installation a breeze. It can lift wastewater up to 14 feet vertically and move it up to 140 feet horizontally. This makes it perfect for various applications and locations. With a capacity of up to 24 gallons per minute, it efficiently handles even large volumes of wastewater. You'll appreciate its speed and reliability. Its low inlet simplify installation, and the 112-inch or 114-inch discharge options provide flexibility. It's designed for easy setup. It operates quietly at just 44 dBA, ensuring a peaceful environment. Despite its quiet operation, it's incredibly powerful and efficient. It's CSA certified, meeting the highest safety standards. You can trust in its performance and longevity, backed by a 4-year limited warranty. What we like. It boasts a powerful motor and compact design, making it perfect for tight spaces. Its whisper-quiet operation ensures it won't disturb you. If you need a reliable and discreet solution for your home, this is the pump for you. What people say. All the parts you need are included, which is great. I spent more time getting tapped into my septic system just because of tight spaces, but setting up the pump was a no-brainer. Working well, and it is pretty quiet. You can hear it when it comes on, but it runs for less than 10 seconds. It's been well over 2 years and both SANIFLO pumps have worked great without any issues. Install was relatively easy, directions were basic but good enough if you have some basic skills. After about a month it's working very well and pumps up about 8 feet through a 1-drain line with no problems. Very compact. Quieter than expected. Top and side intake connections. Number 4. Red Lion RL SPS 33 Sump Pump. This compact system is perfect for handling wastewater from various sources in your home, providing a reliable and efficient solution. It boasts a powerful 13 HP pump that delivers up to 3,200 gallons per hour, ensuring quick and thorough water removal. It's built with durable materials like epoxy-coated aluminum and thermoplastic, designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. This system comes pre-assembled, including the pump, basin, check valve, and piping, making installation quick and easy. It features an automatic float switch that activates when water reaches a certain level and shuts off when the water level drops, providing worry-free operation. It's ideal for laundry trays, tubs, and bar sinks, making it a versatile solution for various under-sink applications. What we like. This pump offers a remarkably high gallons per hour rating and comes pre-assembled for quick and easy setup. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you value convenience and durability, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Check valve inside saves money and time. So quiet you actually don't even hear it run. Overall, very impressed with this pump. I just got it today and everything lined up to the old Liberty 403 pump I had prior to this, making the hookup very simple. Pump is nice and quiet compared to my old one. Number 3. FavorCOOL Sink Pump. It's a fully automatic and maintenance-free solution for your home's wastewater needs. This compact pump easily handles clear wastewater from various sources. It boasts a 250-watt motor with an all-copper coil, ensuring it won't overheat. This durable motor is oil-filled for extra protection and can handle high temperatures. With 3 inlets, it connects to your bathtub, shower, laundry, and kitchen sinks. Its compact design makes it perfect for under-basin installation. It automatically turns on and off based on water levels, preventing leaks and ensuring safety. The float switch is mounted above the waterline for added protection. It operates quietly at 30 to 40 dB, and the activated carbon module keeps it odor-free. Its durable PP material is anti-aging, anti-scratch, and easy to clean. It's GS and CE certified, comes with a 1-year warranty, and is backed by 24/7 customer service. Enjoy a worry-free shopping experience. What we like. With multiple inlets and automatic operation, it seamlessly integrates into various plumbing setups. Its quiet operation makes it perfect for homes where noise is a concern. If you need a versatile and quiet solution for multiple sinks, this is the one for you. Number 2. Simmer 2925B Sump Pump. This is the Simmer 2925B, a compact and powerful sump pump designed for easy installation and reliable performance. It's incredibly compact, making it perfect for tight spaces under your sink. Its self-contained design simplifies installation and maintenance. Installation is a breeze. Its small size and simple design make it easy to fit under any sink. Despite its compact size, it packs a punch. It easily handles solids up to 1/8 inch in size. It features a 112-inch discharge pipe for efficient drainage. This ensures quick and effective removal of wastewater. It's built to last. The corrosion-resistant materials ensure years of reliable service, even in harsh environments. It has a 6-gallon drainage tank, providing ample capacity to handle unexpected surges in water. It's equipped with a powerful 14 HP motor, providing the necessary strength to pump out water effectively and efficiently. What we like. Its compact size makes it ideal for under-sink installations, and the simple design ensures easy setup. The ability to handle small solids adds to its practicality. If you prioritize ease of installation and solid handling, this is the pump for you. What people say. The water flow works good. The fit is good. Quality seems good. Easy to install. It has worked great and does not make much noise at all. Number 1. Jackel Pre-Plumbed Laundry Tray. Say hello to effortless laundry day. This innovative system makes installation a breeze. It's pre-plumbed, saving you time and hassle. Simply connect it and you're ready to go. It features a powerful yet quiet 14 HP sump pump to quickly and efficiently remove water. The 6-gallon basin provides ample capacity, and the check valve prevents backflow. Its unique octagonal shape maximizes capacity while minimizing the space it takes up. It operates quietly, so you can enjoy peace and quiet even while it's working. What we like. This system comes pre-plumbed for a hassle-free installation process. Its quiet operation ensures a peaceful home environment. If you value convenience and quiet operation, this is your best bet. What people say. Nice compact pump, easy to install, good quality, seems to be made well. This model was the same size shape as the previous one, and it was an easy swap out. Comes ready to use. Very quiet, works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.